Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Abilene Teachers FCU mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Abilene Teachers FCU mobile is a digital banking app designed for members of Abilene Teachers Federal Credit Union to manage their finances securely and conveniently. The app provides essential features such as checking account balances, viewing transaction history, transferring funds between accounts, and making loan payments directly from your phone. It also supports mobile deposit, allowing users to deposit checks by simply taking a photo. Additional tools include bill pay, card controls, and secure messaging for customer support. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean layout, quick access to key banking tools, and reliable mobile deposit functionality. The ability to manage cards, set alerts, and make payments on the go adds to the convenience. Members also highlight the app's strong security measures, including biometric login for supported devices. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional login issues, slower load times after updates, or minor glitches when using mobile deposit. Others mention that certain advanced features available on the desktop platform may not be fully accessible in the app. In addition, like most mobile banking apps, it relies heavily on stable internet connectivity for smooth performance. In summary, the Abilene Teachers FCU mobile app may be worth using if you want secure, on-the-go access to your accounts, easy mobile deposits, and dependable banking features tailored for ATFCU members. However, if you prefer more advanced financial tools or need highly detailed transaction management, you may find some limitations within the app. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.